Hello Rangers, it's Mr. Miedema. It's Sunday night. This is spring break edition of my videos. And so I did a little welding last week. Worked on some trim for my barn, put some windows in. Also rented a big huge boom and cut some trees that were like 60 feet up in the air. And so a couple random fun things that I did. I'll put those videos up next. But I just want to say we're kind of getting some stuff together as teachers for the next 6-8 weeks. There'll be more details about that in the next couple of days. Wednesday we're going to kind of roll out the new normal and kind of putting some stuff together as far as getting some grades in and whatnot. Most everything that I've got at school, I went to the shop today and I graded everything that I saw pretty much, so all the grades should be about up to date. So you can kind of see where you're at as far as the March 11, March 12, 13 date where we ended off at school. Yeah. So anyway, like I said, I'll be in touch in the next couple of days, kind of giving more direction on what we're going to be doing for the rest of the semester. So anyway, hope your spring break was well. Eating a little snack here. Got my favorite hummus and some veggie straws. Bueno. Anyway, we'll catch up with you guys soon. Hello Rangers, it's Mr. Miedema again. This is Thursday night, working on my tractor tonight, actually the back blade for my tractor, so that back blade on the ground there. That's what I plow the driveway with in the winter, and also grade stuff and even do leaves with it. So something I actually made a few years ago. I got the blade itself from my grandpa, but all the orange stuff I welded up. Had a student kind of design it up for me, and we cut it out with a big laser and then I welded it up. But I didn't do a real good job, so some of the welds kind of are getting a little bit weak and a little bit worn out, so I'm going to weld that up. So I got my welder over here, and we're going to go clean some of these welds up, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, so I got it welded back up, hopefully. We'll see how well it goes. It's hard to get in there, and my mask was giving me some trouble too, so I couldn't see real well. But should be good enough. My neighbor's going to borrow my tractor tomorrow to grade his driveway out. So I need to get the blade, black blade ready to go for him. So anyway, we'll see if we can't get it mounted back on there now and get her ready. So she's all back on and ready to rock, Doc. One more project knocked out. Hello Rangers, it's Wednesday, spring break week Wednesday. I said I wasn't going to do too many videos this week, but kind of want to show you guys what I'm doing today. So yesterday I put that window up there up in my barn there. Put the window up in the attic. Ordered the window when I built the barn in 2016, but never put it in. So there's one on the other side too. And then there's all those little battens on the side of the barn, but none up in the gable. Kind of see that. And so right now I am painting all those battens. I'm kind of doing a batch painting where I clamp them together. And I can paint one side, let it dry, turn it over to the other edge, paint that, and that way it goes a whole lot faster than trying to paint each one, all 4 sides or 2 sides individually. And so that's my project for today. So there is like 30 1x2 battens, and like I said, they're going to go up on the walls of the barn, kind of like the side. I never got them up into the peak, and actually this Friday I'm going to rent a lift to trim some trees, but I'm also going to put up the battens and kind of finish up this trim around the barn here with all those. Hello Rangers, it's Mr. Miedema here. It is Saturday, April 11, happens to be my birthday. I am on a lift right now. See down there, I'm about 50 feet up in the air. I'm trimming some of these pines behind me and dropping the limbs down there so that I've got a bunch of maples down here that I want to grow and get a lot more sunlight so they can make more maple syrup for me. And so that is my sweet task of the day. But man, the view up here is amazing. Whew. I do have my harness on. Kind of risky, but at the same time, once you get up here, it's not so bad. Getting up here is a little bit crazy. Anyway, have a good one. All right, so a couple hours later, I have got, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees topped. All of the branches down there. I'm kind of getting stuck with my lift now. I got to go back down and go a little lower and take the rest of these out and get all the branches that are loose. But again, man, what a beautiful day up here.